Here I am using 3 mm crochet hook, and this is a acrylic can. Now I'm going to make a leaf first. Make a slip knot. Then chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. Like this I'm going to chain 18. See, chain 18 completed. Now for first chain next to the hook, I'm going to make a one single crochet, and then next chain I'm going to make a half double crochet, then I'm going to make one double crochet, and second double crochet into next chain, one more double crochet into next chain. Total I'm going to make a 4 double crochet into 4 chain. After 4 double crochet, now I am making one half double crochet, to next chain one single crochet, and for next chain one slip stitch. Same another leaf, one single crochet, and next chain one half double crochet, and next fourth chain 4 double crochet, one, two double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then fourth double crochet, and to next chain one half double crochet. To this last chain I'm going to make a 3 single crochet, one, two, and 3. To next chain one half double crochet. As same as this line I'm going to make a same stitches, then I'm going to make a 4 double crochet into 4 chain, one double crochet, 2 double crochet, and third one, and a fourth one. Now to the next chain, one half double crochet, and to next chain one single crochet, and next one slip stitch. Again repeat the same. One single crochet, one half double crochet, double crochet, one, two, three, four, and again one half double crochet, and to last chain two single crochet. Now by slip stitch I am finishing this leaf and cut here. To hide extra thread I am going to needle this one. Just I am hiding extra thread. Now I am going to slip knot in chain 55. According to length you can make a chain. Now I am going to insert the tag into the leaf. Let's make a tulip flower. First make a magic ring. To this magic ring I'm going to make a 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6 single crochet, pull the yarn to make a tight to close the magic ring. Slip stitch the first stitch. To start a second row, I make a chain and For first stitch I'm going to make a single crochet. Again, first same stitch I'm making single crochet, that was one increase, and again for next stitch I'm going to make a two single crochet, that was second increase. So total 6 increase I'm doing here. Like this, one increase into each stitch. Total there was 12 single crochet. So here completed row 2, slip stitch to the first stitch. For third row I'm making a chain 1, and for first stitch I'm going to one single crochet, and for next stitch one increase. Again one single crochet to the next stitch, and then again one increase. Repeat the same pattern into 6 times till end. Total we have 18 single crochet here. Make a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1, single crochet into first stitch, single crochet into next stitch, another one single crochet into third stitch. So here we have to single crochet into each stitch till end, till row 9. I will show complete with row 9. See here, I completed row 9 and leave the thread and cut here. Tie the yarn tightly. Fill the some fibers. Make equal partition like this. Again another side, sieve equally. See, it's completed. You can add it to the hair tie and also for a key ring as a keychain. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.